Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will talk with you about a new project called Wolf Capital. Together we will redefine staking, unleash the power of team staking. And I have to say, of course I've already checked this project and made some research before I decided to make this video. And it's basically a staking platform, but usually all those staking platforms rely on new users coming in. And once new users stop coming in, they are not able to give you your money back or to pay you your rewards. But this project has really something going on in the background, so that then they are really trying to keep it somehow sustainable. But stay with me guys, I will explain it to you. So as of right now they have 324 users and I will talk with you about the details in a second guys. So staking. Wolf Capital offers a staking system that rewards users with daily yield ranging from 1 to 2% based on their Wolf Pack level. Teamwork and collaboration is at the core of the Wolf Capital project. The concept of Wolf Packs elevates this by bringing users together in a team-oriented environment where the power of unity can be harnessed. And there's also a team lottery. I will explain this to you guys. Very interesting here. They have trading bots, So as I've mentioned before, usually those staking platforms, they are not really doing anything than just trying to bring in new users. And once this stops, you don't get any rewards, in the worst case, not even your money back. So, but they have trading bots and you can also see what they are trading. I will show you this. They have been audited and KYC'd. I will show you because the team of this Wolf Capital, they started first with Wolf Capital Miner, and here you can see they have been they have been KYC'd by Anonydox guys, sorry, Anonydox. And also you can see here they have been audited, and here it says the owner has access to funds. Yes, this is because they use the investors' capital to make money, okay? So first of all, your money will be locked for 60 days and you can claim your rewards every 7 days, okay? So let me show you the paper here. Wolf Capital is a next-gen DeFi staking dApp launching on the BSC chain staking USDC. We have created a new original staking dApp that will change the way staking will be seen forever. So staking, as you can see here, usually you get 1% per day, but if you join a team, I will show this, you will get up to 2%. The money is locked for 60 days and you can claim your rewards every 7 days. So teams, now it gets interesting guys. Based on the team, you can make your own team or you can join a team. As you can see, daily bonus, combined team stake and team members. For example, if you join a team with up to 20 members and a combined team stake of 10k, you will get an additional daily bonus of 0.2%. This goes up to 1%. That means your total daily ROI will be 2% then, okay? Referrals, they also have a referral system, a lottery, and here you can see portfolio. So guys, let me also show you can really see what they are doing, because first of all, you can see the trades here. You can join their Telegram channel and you can see the trades they have been doing. As you can see here, an Ethereum trade, another Ethereum trade, and another Ethereum trade. So they are really doing something to make this project sustainable. They try to trade and pay you the rewards based on this, okay? So here you can see the dApp as of right now. Total investments 154k, total users 324, total teams 21. Staking, you could see here your amount that you have staked. Stake amount, the calculator, I mean it's pretty easy guys. If you have 1% as of right now, because you're not in a team, your daily profit will be 10. I mean, easy to calculate, okay? And after 25 days, 250 of course. So Wolfpacks, you can join a team or make your own team, and that's how it works guys. So guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show those kinds of projects guys, okay? So always do your own research. And as always guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.